Hello everyone, this is Byron and thank you for joining me for another home body weight workout experience. So this is the home body weight workout experience. What I'm doing today is I'm going to do some leg exercises, okay? And I'm just going to do leg lifts basically with a calf raise. So you can do them together. And I'm going to use the two stools to do them. It's actually quite simple. I put my hands on the chairs, but only for support. And I put my foot in the middle of the chairs, okay? And then cross one leg over the other. Kind of jump up as you're doing them. Jump up, but go down slowly. And then get the calf raise at the end. I'm just using the chairs. I just have my hands on the chairs lightly for support. Okay? Crossing one leg over the other. Bouncing up as quickly as I can. Crossing my knee over to the other side of my leg. You'll find, wow, this is quite an effective leg workout, okay? And switch over to the other one, just do one leg at a time, it's quite easy. Okay, cross one leg over the other. Very nice little leg workout, okay? Bounce up, get the calf raise at the end. Don't neglect your calves. Always get the calf raise at the end. Okay, bring your knee down as far as you can, down your leg. Okay, then you can switch to the other one. Okay, just keep going, alternating legs. Get your calf raise, always get your calf raise. Okay. You know you've gotten tired and your muscles have gotten tired and you can no longer do the calf raise. Alright, take a quick breather. So that's a nice and quick leg workout. You can also mix it up with some frog jumps. I'm a big fan of the frog jumps. And they're also very good for your legs, good for toning your legs and building muscle in your legs. Okay, let's try one more time. Okay, lift up, kind of thrust up and get that calf raise at the end, the power calf raise. Okay, switch, knee to the opposite side again, bring your knee down as far as you can on your leg, thrust up. Get that calf raise in there. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, and you'll find that your legs will get tired fairly quickly with this exercise. Really, really get tired quickly. Okay. So let's go one more time. My legs are getting pretty tired already. Okay. Okay, and you want your legs to get tired quickly. You want your muscles to really work as hard as you can with the home body weight workouts, because you don't have the benefits of the weights, so you just have to rely on making the exercises as difficult as possible, as challenging as possible, by using any means possible, really, other than injuring yourself. So you want to vary the angles. You want to vary the position of your body weight, your body position, to pitch your weight against you as much as possible. And you also want to limit the amount of time that you spend resting between exercises. Okay, so on that note, let's go back to it again. Okay, so my legs are actually getting pretty tired now. Yeah, very tired. I'm very tired. Okay, so this way I can also vary. Once I finish this one, I can vary with some frog jumps, which I'll show you what those are. I've done frog jumps in different videos too. Basically, you just you kind of get in the position of a frog, as dignified as that is, and then and then just jump up. But I'll wait before doing those ones. Those are actually quite difficult. All right, so let's finish up with this first.
I'm going to finish one exercise. I'm going to do them one after the other instead of doing them one and then doing the other one, doing them together. Okay. Yeah, my legs are actually getting pretty tired now. I can't even do the calf raise anymore. I'm gonna give a quick breather, let my muscles recoup for a minute, and see if I can do them again. Let's give it a shot. Okay. All right, let's try one more time. Yeah, my muscles. I can't even do the calf raise anymore. It's like my legs are locked. All right, so that's actually a pretty good exercise. So, that being said, let's move these out of the way, and then I can do some frog jumps. You know what? So let's put these under the table where they naturally belong, and then I can do some frog jumps. Okay, so basically just like this, and then lift up. Okay, until you really feel it. I'm just jumping like a frog. Oh. Thrusting up as high as you can, and you will really feel those after a while. It looks like a silly exercise, but those really work your legs, especially after you've already done previous exercise. You'll notice that the frog jumps quite effective for building muscle and defining your legs. All right, so. Yeah, those are quite exhausting, actually. Oh, okay. So frog jumps after any leg workout, whether it's something you do in the gym or something you do at home, frog jumps are a great add-on, to any other leg workout that you do. All right, so let's go in. Put your hands, your knuckles between your legs, kind of for balance, just like a frog. That's why it's called a frog jump. All right, and you will, and it also, the frog jump also gives you the benefit of the calf raise as well, because you are getting the calf raise at the end. So you're working your total leg as you're doing the jumps. So, you just kind of place your legs wider than shoulder width, and then, just jump. With your legs between, hands between your legs. And it actually gets really, really difficult after a while. Oh, boy. Really, really tough. Okay. I'm going to try a couple more frog jumps and then probably call this quits on the leg workout. It's actually really effective. And you can see I'm getting the calf raise at the end. Oh, okay. Whoosh. And you really feel your inner legs too, your inner thighs. Oh, man. Frog jumps really work your inner thighs like almost nothing else can. I guess that's why frogs have such strong legs that can jump so far. So that's why it's good to act like a frog if you want strong legs. It's good to mimic a frog. All right, so let's go one more time. And you just hit this point where you hit like the wall, with the frog jumps. You just hit like the marathon runner's wall, and it's like, oh my God, I can't go on anymore, man. I can't continue. All right. I think I'm going to try one more time. And then we'll call it quits with the frog jumps. Okay. Okay, that's about it. It really works your butt too. The frog jumps really work your butt and your inner thighs, okay? So it's a very effective workout, and that is, boy. And even though you don't feel it right away sometimes, oh my God, it really makes your legs sore and really pumps your legs up quite a bit to where like the next day sometimes you can't even walk. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Well, it is a good thing because that means you're building muscle. But I mean, you know, if you have to hit the stairs and you're trying to walk upstairs after a really solid leg workout, you're like, oh my God, why did I work so hard on that leg workout? You know, and then you're really like you're feeling the comeuppance for that the next day. All right. Anyway, so this is Byron. I hope you enjoyed the very oddball, undignified leg workout. You know, with the lifts/lunges, and then the frog jump. Frog jumps are fantastic, man. I'm a great believer in frog jumps for leg workouts. Get you those beach-ready legs. All right. Thank you very much. This is Byron, and everyone stay motivated to work out at home, man. It's so easy. You can do it in your spare time. It's so much fun. Listen to music, do whatever you can, watch TV, whatever you need to do, and it's a fantastic workout. Thank you, and everyone stay motivated. Everyone stay strong. Bye-bye, and thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.